I'll bring them inside. Come on, Blake.
Yeah, just put Albert inside.
Come on inside. Pistol.
Layla, have a kiss.
Come on, Layla. You go inside and eat? Come on. Albert, you stay out. Come on, Mom. Come inside and eat. Stay.
Come on.
Albert!
Okay. Stay. You want to go sit at the table? Okay, let's go sit over here.
I'm about to come and done.
Rafa, where's the pencil?
Where is he? I don't know. You were watching him.
Albert?
Layla, are you looking at me?
Rafa, go get him. I don't know where he is. Make sure he's not inside. I know they're all in there? Okay. Are you ready? Layla, are you ready? Is it hot? Ready? Blow on it. Is that okay? Is it hot? 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 Yeah? Okay. You want more?
What are you doing? Say hi to the camera.
Say hi. 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 Say I'm eating lunch.
Say I'm
Hungry.
eating lunch.
You hungry?
Then
Say hungry. Layla, say hungry.
hungry.
You want some more?
No.
More? Hot? Blow on it. Blow on it.
Waywers. Is that good, Waywers? Come in.
Is it good? Is it good?
No.
Is it Uncle Raphael? That's Uncle Raphael, huh? Where's Aunt Cole?
Where's Aunt Cole?
Where's Aunt Cole?
Say
oh,
Aunt Cole.
good job.
Say Aunt Cole.
Good girl.
Aunt Cole.
You blow on it? Blow more. Blow some more. Here. Carrots? Mmm. That's good, huh, Layla? Is that good? You want some more?
No.
More? Oh, there's beans in here. Okay, blow on it. Blow some more. Blow some more. It's really hot. Okay, Layla. Here you go. No, stay here. You gotta eat your lunch. Let's eat your lunch and then we'll go play, okay? Yeah, eat lunch. More? Have some more. You want some more noodles? Layla, you want a noodle?
No.
Okay, look.